Hi, we're the Smart Sisters.
And today we are making slime. We'll need 4 ounces of glue, Elmer's magical liquid, food coloring of your choice, a spoon and a bowl, and 4/1 or a quarter cup, and our way placemats and napkins, and our way is toothpicks. You don't have to use them, but you can.
You'll need to pour the 4 ounces of glue into your bowl. Just keep on squeezing it.
Which is technically the whole bottle.
And then you'll need to use your quarter cup and your magical liquid. And put your magical liquid in the quarter cup. Put little bits of magical liquid in it at a time. And stir. Then mix it all in till it's fully mixed. And keep on adding. Now, divide it if you're 2 sisters.
Divide it a lot if you're a lot of sisters. Or brothers.
Okay, then knead it with your hands.
Oh,
This is where you could use your groana.
Yeah.
Keep on kneading till it feels like slime. If you use 2 colors, it can look like tie-dye. Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun making this at home.